Here's a Bootsy Quickie, hints, tips, and fun information. Hi survivors, hi family and friends, this is Roy from Bootsy Sweetheart's Guide to Life and Other Disappointing Experiences with a follow-up quickie to a radial flower project that I had made in a previous video. If you remember, or if you have seen it, I'll put the link down in the description box. It's very, very simple. You end up with a flower that looks like this, slow stitching, and you can decorate it and embellish it any way you wish. It doesn't need to have a backing. I put a backing on them. And we start out, as you know, by taking long hat pins. First you draw a circle for the center of your flower. And if you want to make it a particular diameter, you draw an outside circle so you know where you end. And then you simply wrap and wrap the yarn around and anchor it down with these radial pieces. Now this is where you want it to look like. This is the way you want it to look in the end. But if you're like me and a bit sometimes clumsy, you have to be very careful. These pins are very sharp. So sometimes instead of winding up in the end with this is what you wind up with as you progress. These needles are very sharp. It's so easy to poke yourself. The pins are rather. And you have to be very careful that you don't leave polka dots on your finished product. So I have a solution for those of you who don't want to attempt this. And the solution is toothpicks, double-edged toothpicks. Instead of using these sharp pins, I've replaced them with double-pointed toothpicks. And it works exactly the same way. You may want to start with a hole made by a bigger pin, but frankly, if it's a loose weave, there's really no issue. If it's a tight weave, like I tried it on a remnant from a bedspread, did not work. Don't do that. It's not worth the pain involved. But anyway, if you have a looser weave, like this is fairly coarse fabric, it's not too tight, and then the same exact way you start, you go into the fabric, go around as I showed you in that previous video, and this is what you wind up with. Same exact thing as this, without the dangerous weapon involved. And then of course you just pull it out, and decorate the inside any way you wish. It's basically the same exact process, only using toothpicks. So this is a Bootsy Quickie, little hint to save you from some grief. I hope you got something out of this. I hope you try this instead of pins. And we'll be back soon with another quickie. I have another slow stitch quickie in my head that I need to prepare. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your support and continued encouragement. And until the next time, stay well, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay smart. And bye for now.